Ganda talaga ng kulot. So, kanina, nanggaling na kami sa fully booked and sa anatomy. Baba pa?
Diba?
Yung cute. Ada, ghost types. So, ito yung size nung Snoopy na naglalait. Oo nga. Dyson. I think I wanna check it. First time ko sa Dyson, actually. Ano, as the sales people are talking. Ito. Okay.
Ito yung importante. Police bananas.
Ooh.
Actually, same lang. Ang tangle na rin. Actually, while bashing yung hair mo, natutunan.
Okay. So, clean siya. I wasn't really able to record everything kasi nakakaya at first. The gala went well and ito yung kinaral ni ate kanina. And it looks so good. Ganda talaga ng kulot. Daming tao. Aray! Good evening po.